Hey guys, Bodhi here from Maker Studios bringing you another video. Wow, I have some interesting news out of some coaster fans around the area, including me, that Twist and Shout at Family Kingdom is possibly on the chopping block. Now, I will be the first to admit that I am not a fan of this ride, like, at all. It is not one of my favorite roller coasters, one bit, nowhere near. I actually prefer Dragon Coaster, like the very small coaster in the park, to this ride. However, I really didn't expect it to get removed right now. I mean, it's not confirmed at all. It's not at all. It could very well just be maintenance on the website and the cars. However, here are big pieces of evidence. One, apparently there's a big rumor around the coaster community that this ride is going to get removed. I don't know about that, but I've heard that in my comment section. Also, the trains for Twist and Shout are off the track, which is very unusual. That typically doesn't even happen on Swamp Fox, let alone Twist and Shout. I've never seen them take the trains off of Twist and Shout. That could just be maintenance. You never know. Which, if it is, then good. However, it's also one of the lone rides on the Family Kingdom website that is not there. Twist and Shout is no longer on the park's website, which that is concerning. I drive by about every week or so to see what's going on at the park. Last time I went, about a week ago, maybe a little less, Twist and Shout was still there. However, I'm pretty sure they took down a big fence by Twist and Shout. I might be tripping there, but there was a fence by Twist and Shout you could literally just like walk right over. And I'm pretty sure there was a bigger fence there originally. I'm not 100% sure though. You never know. But it's just very interesting to me, all this. But Family Kingdom has been removing rides like clockwork ever since the new company took over. It's almost like Six Flags and Cedar Fair, how they merged into just Six Flags, to where, I mean, they closed down an entire park, Six Flags America. They took out so many big rides like Kingda Ka. Family Kingdom has been like that, obviously not closing the park, but they've been closing so many rides. Like almost all of the permanent rides have been removed at this point. Like, fair rides. Like Hurricane still remains, the pirate ship still remains, and a couple ones here and there. But like Thunderbolt got removed a couple years ago, and that was like a big blow to the park. I still think that was a big mistake for Family Kingdom. I really could care less about a lot of the rides, especially because some of them were SPNO. However, Thunderbolt, I believe, sometimes was better than Swamp Fox. I get we're getting an RMC Raptor this year, which is amazing. But I really don't think they should remove Twist and Shout. I think they have a lot of great rides at this point. They brought F5 a couple years ago, and now they bought the flip side last year, which is an insane flat ride. They have Air Max, or what they call Lunatic. Those are two big flat rides, and I'd assume that would be what would go in Twist and Shout's plot. I doubt they would buy another coaster right after the RMC Raptor, and I also doubt they would just leave that blank. I think we really need the extra coasters and not just more flat rides. I would love to see them make Twist and Shout a Wild Moose coaster from RMC. I don't know if that one's on the market yet or like ready to buy. Maybe if the Raptor coaster goes well, they could do an RMC Wild Moose with Twist and Shout. I'm not sure how that works exactly, if that would work. I don't know. It's just very interesting to see this ride having so many rumors and so much evidence of its removal. I will let you guys know if it does actually get removed 100%. I will make a full video about that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I certainly had fun making this video. I will leave a link to my merch store. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.